FL Studio, formerly known as Fruity Loops, is a comprehensive digital audio workstation, DAW, known for its powerful music production capabilities. It is favored by both amateur and professional musicians for creating, mixing, recording, and arranging music across various genres. Developed by ImageLine, Florida Studio is particularly popular in the electronic music community due to its user-friendly interface and extensive feature set. FL Studio offers a rich array of tools, including synthesizers, samplers, drum machines, and a vast library of sounds and effects. Its step sequencer and piano roll editor facilitate intricate pattern and melody creation, making it ideal for crafting complex compositions. The software supports multi-track audio recording and pitch shifting, which are essential for professional quality music production. One of FL Studio's standout features is its loop-based workflow, which allows users to easily create repeating music blocks and arrange them into complete tracks. This approach, combined with the ability to automate nearly every parameter, from volume to effects, makes it incredibly powerful for dynamic music creation. Despite its capabilities, Florida Studio is known for its relatively gentle learning curve compared to other DAWs, aided by an extensive collection of tutorials and an active community forum. Whether a beginner or a seasoned producer, users can quickly learn to navigate its interface and start producing music. Performance-wise, Florida Studio is designed to be lightweight and efficient, ensuring smooth operation on a variety of hardware configurations. It's capable of handling complex projects with multiple instruments and effects without overloading the system. FL Studio is available in different editions, each offering a varying level of features, which provides flexibility depending on users' needs and budget.